What up guys, this is Jyrel. In this video I'll be showing you exactly how to use Google Earth. Now first thing you have to do is you have to Google the this is specific application or this is specific website in Google, which is Google Earth. And then after it has been downloading up, all you have to do is just explore. Now first things first, we could utilize some tools in here like say the 3D. Okay, hold on. Now, on first thing you have to do is just explore like wherever you want to go, like say here. Okay, of course you want to be able to see anything in here. Let's move to the other side, like say here, New Zealand. Now just zoom in and you zoom out using your mouse, and then click on 3D to have that 3D effect on the map. Now, this works exactly the same as just like Google Map. It's just made for more of like an entertainment, um, for entertainment stuff compared from Google Maps. Now you can also hold city control key was exploring. Now, if you like this video, guys, make sure to hit like and subscribe.